Welcome to Carrington Textiles International, the joint venture between Carrington Textiles and Sapphire textile mills. Launched in February 2021, this textile dyeing and finishing facility is set within over 700,000 square feet, producing 20 million meters a year of dyed and white fabric. Carrington Textiles International offers the most popular constructions and blends of fabric in the international workwear market, with excellent domestic and industrial laundry standards. The factory's state-of-the-art machinery includes a double-width dye range for greater efficiency. Counting on Sapphire as a neighbour, Carrington Textiles International provides a fully integrated solution, reducing lead times and enhancing our service to customers around the globe. Finished stock is strategically warehoused in both Lahore and the South African port of Durban to ensure the best possible service to all major markets. For more information, please visit carrington.asia.